Davis is going to have to punt it away. What a defensive stand again by El Dorado. They're keeping the Eagles in the football game.
Well, now the Eagles, like I said, they got an answer to this. Oh, there's a
Camden Davis has it blocked. Des Ravenel has the block, and he has the football at the 34, and Ravenel is going to take it to the house. Des Ravenel, one of the best athletes on the field, with a blocked punt and a 34-yard punt return for a touchdown. It's 20-13, pending the point after.
Well, you knew that Charlie Dodson had something up his sleeve, and his specialty team comes through for him and gives them new life with 49 seconds left here in this third quarter.
Ravenel, so impressive tonight from his defensive end position. And now a special teams play, Ravenel, with the block punt and the return for the touchdown.
With 4 seconds to go, Kelsey Cunningham will come on for the game-winning field goal. They're going to put it down at the 11-yard line. 21-yard attempt. Weathers is going to put it down. Cunningham. Snap, place, kick is on the way. It is good. That's it. That's the ball game. The Goddard Rockets are the 2012 Class 4A state football champions. A 21-yard field goal by Kelsey Cunningham, and the Rockets are state champions.
Wow, what a game. There's not more you can say. The emotion and what happened in this game was amazing. It was a defensive battle, and in the end, somebody had to win, and this time it was the Goddard Rockets. The only undefeated team in the state of New Mexico. That's got to be worth something right there.
Wallace, play action in the end zone, all alone. Touchdown! Oh my, what a catch! Falling down, number 27, Anthony Gonzalez. Wow, talk about impressive catches tonight by the Manzano receivers. That was another amazing catch.
26-yard line of St. Mike's. Handoff, Bencomo right side, and he'll cross the 25-yard line. Still on his feet. Still on his feet. He breaks free. Touchdown, Silver City. Holy cow.
Get your feet. That touchdown was created in the offseason with summer drills. Just don't stop moving your feet. Just a great effort there.
A 26-yard touchdown run by Nevada Bencomo puts Silver City in the lead. 6-3 with 3:16 left in the third quarter. A Barry Sanders-like run by Bencomo, coach.
Talk about putting your team on your back. Well, he also had some extra horsemen on his back, and he carried them all the way into the end zone.
Interesting call here. Let's see. Chad Wallum doesn't want to roll the dice and go for the win. 1:48 to play. Volcano Vista's going for the win. Up to the line of scrimmage. 1:48 to play. Fans are on their feet. Chad Wallen, I'm taking him to Vegas if he scores this one.
Everybody's on their feet here in the stadium, both sides packed.
Here comes Hendricks under center. Hendricks, they're going to hand it off. Left side in. That's a 2-point conversion. Good. Jerome Chavez and the Hawks lead it 25-24. 1:48 to play. Come on back. Photo finish. Rio Rancho High School. ProView Networks. It's a great place to be seen.
Trips left open. Wide receiver to the right. No tight end. Single back into block. Nice snap. Gets a little pressure from the outside. He's got a fade route down. Great catch! Oh my goodness! That's a Sports Center shot. I'll tell you, that ranks right up there. I know we've seen it all week last week. That wide receiver for Ohio State that sticks the hand up, makes a one-hander. That is a play. Elijah Winfield, 5'9", 162 junior. Martinez does a great job of lofting up, lets the fade go to the sideline. The only person that can catch it is his man. And he does a one-handed catch that is impressive. So the Cougars bust things open here with the best play I've seen in high school football in a very long time.
Valley desperate for points on a 3rd down and goal from the 6. Coleman going to the right corner. Same play, and what an incredible one-hand catch! Oh my goodness! Aaron Molina, a spectacular play on the fade. 6-yard touchdown reception. You won't see anything better than that this season. An incredible play, and he had a defender wrapped up.
It looked like he conveniently caught it with one arm.
Absolutely. 6-yard fade. Perfectly executed. What a play by Molina.
4th and 7 again here for Albuquerque High. Ball to the 26, down by 21. Ball snap, punt gets off. Nice kick. Fielded by Tebow, and that's his second fumble on a punt return today. He's going to get up on the right side of the field. Pressure coming from all angles. They're swarming around him, and he's going to come back around to this side of the field. He's outrunning everybody, Xander. He has blocking. Hopefully no flags down the 50-yard line at the 40. One man to beat the punter and a, oh my God, touchdown. Gary Tebow. Wow, that has to be the top play of the week right there, folks. Well, he ran maybe 100 yards back and forth before turning back upfield to get up for the touchdown, Xander.
Just great running by Tebow. He was able to just change course, turn around, and just keep his speed the whole time, outrun everybody.
Has the Rams in front by 14. They'll work the handoff to Astorga here. He's going to bounce it out to the right and find room. He's across the 10 to the 15 to the 20, and he's free. It's a foot race to the far pylon. Midfield down to the 40, to the 30, to the 20, to the 10. He's out front, and he's in all the way. Once again, Ulysses Astorga strikes, this time from 94 yards. 34-14 Rio Rancho.
Their quarterback, they has composure. This game's far from over.
2nd and 10 with 25.8 left. It has gone final. Artesia has beaten Clovis. Pereira rolling left. He'll stop, cut it back the other way. He has a man loose in the corner of the end zone. This one right down at the 3. It is caught for a touchdown! Tristan Foley from 35 yards out got lost behind the El Dorado defense on a broken play. And there it is. A PAT could tie it with 16.2 left.
What are they gonna? I think they're going to go for it.
Or are they going to go for 2? Let's see.
They're going for 2.
16.2 left, and Rio Rancho's going for the win. And what an amazing comeback this would be for the Rams. They took over on this possession with 45 seconds left.
Well, it's either a defensive stop by El Dorado or an offensive score to win the ball game. So it's going to come down to what I predicted here.
All or nothing play for Rio Rancho. And they're going to go under center. Unbelievable. Play fake. Here goes Bruer. Bruer with room. Bruer in. Rio Rancho in front. 39-38 on the keeper. Austin Bruer with a 2-point conversion, and the Rams lead by 1 with 9.9 to go.
Unbelievable finish for Rio Rancho, just like we called it. Last team with the ball was going to win the ball game.
Incredible drive and incredible call